I want to show you all how I contour, prime, and define the eyes using Danessa Myricks Colorfix products. So I'm starting off with Colorfix Nude 8, and I'm putting that into the crease using a synthetic blending brush. This one happens to be from Colored Raine. And I like to start off with the crease color so I can really work on building depth and definition. I'm going for more of a cat eye shape on Allison today, so I'm dragging and extending that color out towards her temples, almost following a path from her lower lash line up towards the end of the eyebrow. I'm switching between the brush that I use to pick up the product and a clean brush to slowly deposit more color and blend it out with the clean brush. You do want to work pretty quickly with the color fixes as they do sit down really quickly. Now I'm taking Nude 1 to use as a highlight underneath the brow, as well as to diffuse, soften, and lighten up some of the edges of the darker crease shade. Using these products underneath powder eyeshadows is going to make the look photograph beautifully and last all day. Now I'm taking Nude 1 and using it to create a cut crease and brighten the lid simultaneously. So again, we're contouring and priming at the same time. So I'm creating a lot of definition, and when I go over with my powder shadows, they're going to stand out really nicely and last all day, as I said. So I'm just kind of enhancing the cat eye shape, not only by dragging out the darker color, but also by extending the lighter color towards the outer corner of her eye. Now I'm taking the Colored Raine Queen of Hearts palette and doing my powdered shadows, and I'm getting really good color payoff and not having to work as hard to create definition with the powders because liquids are easier to create definition with, and now I'm just kind of plopping some color on top, you know? Now I'm taking the Colorfix matte in the shade Blackout, and I'm lining the eye and smudging out the liner to create some soft definition. This looks really good with eyelash extensions, and it also looks good on softer skin tones, which is what Allison has. She just looks better in softer colors than super vibrant or super defined color. Now I'm using Blackout to define the eyebrows a little bit, and I'm just going to speed through the rest of the makeup application. If you want to see a full demonstration of this look, I have that on my YouTube channel. I love the way liquid contour plus powders looks in photographs and lasts all day, as I've mentioned before. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like it and follow my page if you want to see more. Bye.